Hello everyone! Welcome back to Almita's Kitchen! Kumusta? Kumusta? I hope everybody's doing well. Today we are going to make pasta dish, okay? I actually came up with this recipe, so we'll see how it goes. This is angel hair pasta with Parmesan and shrimp to go with it, okay? All right, so let's go start it. First, we have to boil some water. So while we are waiting for our water to boil, we'll marinate the shrimp. All right, so let's marinate it with soy sauce, and some ground black pepper. We have our fish sauce, just a little, and sesame oil. All right, and then you will mix it just like that. Smells good. They smell really good. Okay, there you go. So let this marinate while the water is in the process of boiling. Already, marinate. There you go. All right, our water is boiling hard. Let's put some oil. Just a little oil. I don't know why. So the pasta doesn't stick together. And then salt. Just a little. And let's dump our pasta in. Again, guys, this is the angel hair noodle, the tiny one. So this will cook really fast, really fast. Okay, yeah, and just wiggle it. Make sure every single pasta is in the water. Water, and let it cook. Let it cook. Our pasta is done. We can turn off the heat. All right, guys. Oof. Done. This is done. All right, so we have our casserole dish here. This is what we are using our pasta. Turn on the heat, fire up. Okay, and then we have to preheat these. And what we have to do first is we have to cook our shrimp. We'll just do a little bit. I think that one, we'll see if that's good enough. All right, so that is heating up a little. So now what we do is cook our shrimp. Okay guys, I marinate this with soy sauce, black pepper, and sesame oil. So you just have to line it up like so. This will cook really fast. Really fast. Nothing fancy. Just want food for your family. You just flip it like that. Oh my goodness. Smells good, guys. It smells good. Yeah, you just wanna lightly cook it. Ooh. Like so. Okay, now we can take it out. Let's adjust the heat. This is too hot right now. Too hot. Too hot. Yeah, we'll remove it. Oh, yum. I can just eat the shrimp like this. I don't need pasta. But that's not what the recipe is. Okay, so now we're done with that. We're done with our shrimp. We can add more butter, guys. Dump all the butter, because again, this recipe is a butter shrimp Parmesan pasta. Okay, low heat. Put it in low heat. Low heat. And we can add our minced garlic. Lots of garlic. If you are sensitive to garlic, just, add a little. Just a little. And then adjust the heat back to medium high. Okay. There you go. See all that bubbling because of the butter. And then we add our chopped tomato. Any kind of tomato. Cherry tomato if you like. You can use that. Okay. And just mix all in. This is a very quick recipe, guys. Already. And once that's done, we can add our pasta. add the pasta in. Whoa, whoa, wowie, wowie. Just mix it, mix it, mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Adjust the heat. Adjust the heat. And then you add your, this is chopped spinach. And then your Parmesan cheese. Alright. I'm just gonna have to use 2 of these. Just use it like this. And then we will season it with a little bit of salt, just a little, and then our black pepper. Okay, and then we'll dump our shrimp back in, just like that, and then mix, mixy, mixy, mix. Okay, it's like this. You can add more of this Parmesan cheese, and then this is actually pork rinds, chicharron, guys. I just put it in the Ziploc and then crushed it, so you can this is optional. If you don't like pork skin, don't do it. Do not add it. And then you mix it like this. So so here you go. Here's your recipe. That's done. Done, 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 done. Let me try it, okay? I will try it. OMG. That's good. That's very good. It needs more cheese. More cheese. Yeah. Oh my god. That is so good. I'm gonna put all the cheese. And then the pork. The chicharron. Oh my god, guys. This is so good. It's very good. If this you think is a little too dry for you, you can always add more butter. Just you know, melted butter actually. But this one is perfect. It's perfect. Okay, so there's your recipe. Angel hair pasta with butter shrimp and Parmesan cheese. It's really good, really good. It surprises me. So if you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel. And I'm gonna see you next time. You take care. Bye.